Boscom South Asia kakenhun kiseng pathai khubon niam ha South Asia kalapulong ye kajingyalang jangki nong penya jangki ha Bengaluru ha ka khat nyau khat pra bat khat khandai trik naiwing ban yemir jingmut halor ki jingkala jong kapor bat ki jingroi jangkila pathai khubor ha kini kajingyalang lapen kup Burom yo Reverend Father Michael Makri, Managing Director and Editor-in-Chief jong Don Bosco Media Network Shillong. Reverend Father Michael Makri ulasdang ye ke dbmn kabala kiu shaprang bat kabala yo ye ke jing itho khmat na ke YouTube. Ye ke ni ke jing penkup Burom yo Reverend Father Michael Makri la ai do Reverend Father Brian.
As we have just completed the centenary of Salvation Presence in Northeast India,
I was not aware that this thing is going to happen. Father Dixon asked me for something about Don Bosco Media. I thought it is going to be displayed here and there. But just when Father Paul received the award, I said, oh, okay, maybe. Something like that. Anyway, thank you so much for this, what is called, the recognition that you give to me. Not to me, actually, it is to the team, to Don Bosco Media. I am only a spark of the fire that is burning. The others are the candles and the kerosene and the oil, everything is done by others. So, yeah, I receive your appreciation on behalf of all of the team, my provincial, who wrote a letter to me when we begin the studio. I give you blessing and permission. So, that blessing and the permission is still happening. We are able to run because they give us permission to purchase even the LED screen, which is actually doing very, very well. From the LED, we are able to manage the salary of our staff. So like that, the blessings is still happening. And so I thank them. And once again, thank you, Father Ernest, Father Dixon, and all of you, dear fathers and our friends. I think Father CM has said, with one difficulty, let us not stop. No? Life is, it is not challenge, it is not worth walking. No?
Wow.
That is